I am going to tell you one trick you would know if someone genuinely loves you or wants to build a life with you. Not loves you, but wants to build a life with you. I think that is a better caption. And I'm not here to make you laugh, so pay attention. When you ask this person, what do you love about me? And they go on about how you are nice, how you are generous, how you are good, beautiful, handsome, all of those good things. Fine, very good, that will make you feel good. But I want you to next time ask the person, what do they plan to achieve in their life with you in it in the next 5 to 10 years? Now, they might not have an idea 5 to 10 years, but then just ask them clearly, what do they plan to achieve in their life with you in there? Pay attention to the things they tell you. And whatever this person tells you they want to achieve, think about the qualities they say they like in you. See if there is any correlation between what they want to achieve and your qualities. Because clearly, they want to achieve things, and every single thing they say they are going to achieve in life, it doesn't concern you. Automatically, you would know that at some point, they are going to drop you and get someone who aligns more with that goal or whatever it is that they plan to achieve in life, and that person will definitely help them to achieve it. So think about that.